So there's a lot of positive news today for the glove stocks in Malaysia. A lot of them went up 20%, 30% today, and for the purposes of this video, I'll be talking about Hartalega. Yeah, so this Hartalega, I've been talking, about this stock since many, many years ago. Yeah. And then, like, for example, today, Hartalega, let's see for the price today. Yep. Okay. At the closing price at $3.82 is actually a close to 30% return. Yeah, 25 to 29% return. So today, this video, I want to let you guys know why. Okay, why this share price go up. And it goes up, is it justified or not? Yeah. So this is the purpose of this video. So I believe some of you who have been following me for many years already, you all know me together with the BIA team, we have been following this company for I think close to 2-3 years already. Yeah, when it drops a lot, and then to $2, 2 ringgit and 1 ringgit also. Yeah, around that range. So I've been talking about it since 2022, October 1. I even wrote about it, my thesis, what's happening with HARTA, and is there a possible for recovery? I even went to the AGM, take photo with Mr. Kwan, and then I also do a lot of sharing to the live sharing, even on 12 September 2023. So for those of you perhaps decided to be a shareholder since then, if you hold it until today, congratulations to you guys. Credit is all to you guys, because I'm very proud to say a lot of my members, get a lot of profits. Yeah, you can see this one 123% return, 72% return. This one got almost 60% return. Yeah, and then some of our members posted in our Discord get a lot of results, 105% return, 84%, 118%, me included. Yeah. So for those of you who took action and be a shareholder for Hartalega, again, congratulations. Yeah. So now the next question is this. We all know that the price went up almost 30%. So what really happened? So this is what happened today. So The Age and other local newspapers posted this news. Top glove surges and other gloves, they saw higher because of US tariffs. Okay, the US want to impose a higher tariff on Chinese gloves. Yeah, and another title, US tariff hike on Chinese products may augur well for Malaysian gloves. Right. So if you read down further, what is it that happened? Is this shares of Malaysian glove manufacturers surged on Wednesday, which is today, after the US raised tariffs on Chinese rubber, medical, and surgical gloves to 25% from 7.5%. So this is a very huge increase. So why is it very positive? Very simple. If the US put higher tariffs, it means the gloves from China will be way expensive, more expensive to import to the US. So common sense says that, that the US customers may then prefer to order gloves outside of China, which is perhaps Malaysia. Yeah, so because of this news, they foresee that more demand, will become from the US, and they prefer to order from Malaysia, because it's cheaper now. Yeah, because the tariffs from 7.5 to 25% is a very huge hike. Yeah, so this is why the stock, went up. Right, crazy. Right, for Hartalega to go up even almost 30% in one day for Malaysia standard, it's really very high. So you see, as a stock investor, we don't want to be headline investors. Means what? We just read news only. Read news, read the headlines, and then we base on our decision based on newspapers. We don't do that. All right. So we want to dig further. We want to read from the source and see what is really stated there. So let me tell you guys, this is the the original press release. It means that we go and read from the primary source. So in short, the US trade representative here, Catherine Tai today released the following statement concerning statutory review. So today they released this news. All right. So let's go down further. So this tariff, a few points I want you guys to take note. And please be careful. Please be careful. Okay, there's a reason why I ask you guys, to be careful. So listen to me. You see, in this press release, it says, in light of the increased burden on US commerce, President Biden, all right, this president, President Joe Biden is directing Ambassador Tai to take action to add or increase tariffs for certain products. So point number one to take note is that it's President Joe Biden is the one that's directing it, right, to give this Ambassador Tai to take action. Then point number two, take note. Okay, I zoom bigger for you guys. Now, yes, certain tariff hikes will start on 2024. Good. But you see, this is the thing here. Do you know that for medical gloves, this tariff hike will only start in 2026? You see, increase rate to 25%, you are right. But in 2026, not in 2024. So that means this tariff hike is not implemented now. All right, it's something that may or may not happen 2 years later. Right? So now this begs the question: is the share price increase of all the glove stocks in Malaysia justified or not already? These are the two things that I want to highlight to you guys. So you guys need to be aware right now. Okay, need to be aware. Yeah. So I posted, a few questions for you guys to take note. Okay, on what you guys need to take note lah in terms of this stock. Okay. So 5 questions to ask yourselves. Number 1, is this stock price increase based on hype or fundamentals? Now that you know this information, all right, I do not know about the retail investors in Malaysia out there. Maybe they thought that this US tariff is implemented right now, immediately today. Then yes, all right, I also will be very happy. All right, and yes, it's because of the increased fundamentals. Okay, good. Potentially in the very, very near future, all right, there will be more customers starting to order from Malaysia. All right, so what do you think? Okay, is this a hype, all right, or based on fundamentals? Then you all know already that this increased tariffs is based on a proposal and they want to implement in 2026. So is it too early to conclude? All right, that is because it's still 2 years away for something that is may or may not happen. And 2 years, there's a lot of things that will happen also. All right, it's very hard to foresee what will happen. And then the third question, this directive is given by President Joe Biden. So my question to you is, what if Joe Biden is not the next US president this year? What if? Yeah, because end of this year is the US presidential election. Right? Will he win or not? I do not know. So there's still actually a lot of uncertainty. Then question number 4. Let's say, assuming that it really implements, okay, then is it also possible for the glove competitors to focus more on the non-US market? Okay, because they may order less, then okay lah, I focus more on the non-US market. So this flows to question number 5. These glove competitors may lose US market share. But what if they dump the price and gain market share instead in the non-US market, like the EU and the Asia market, which is also the market for our glove manufacturers in Malaysia, including Hartalega. So the point of this video here is, to pose this question to you guys so that you can start to think, right? And take into consideration, okay, questions that's, more important and points you to the right direction. So what do you guys think? Okay, is this a hype or still fundamentals? So you may use many other strategies. All right, some of you may use technical analysis. You may foresee the price continue to go up. But so far for me, all right, my strategy has really buried me a lot of fruit right now. Okay, I've been invested in this stock. Okay, me and my family have been invested since I think 2 years ago, if I'm not wrong. Okay, we entered since it was 1 ringgit 70 to 1 ringgit 90. Yeah, so until today, all right, I'm very happy because we have made over 90%, okay, 90% to 120% return already, which is over 6-digit returns already. All right, so my strategy, okay, works. Okay, so I do not know about you guys. Yeah, the share price may go up, okay, because of technical analysis and stuff, but I still prefer to base on my investing thesis based on fundamentals. All right, so this is the end of this video. So if you have any questions, okay, do drop your questions at the comment below. And if you have any, opinions, and what do you think? Whether the share price increase, is it a hype or a fundamental? Do drop your views, okay, down below. So that's the end of this video. So thanks for watching, guys.